This is what our little camp looks like while we're in this storm. Not much to see, but it sure is nice to have all of this available. Here's my bed. There's all the bedding in the back. And of course, the famous chair. That's all the ice coming down off the trees. And of course, here's our kitchen. And our sink is right over there. And of course, our famous Jacobine. Hi, Jacobine. Hi, baby. He's bored. Aww, what's the matter, baby? What's the matter, Jake? Huh? What's the matter? What? Pretty boy. Your mama's good boy. Yes, you are. Are you bored? Yeah, I know. Alright, that's it for now.